You searched how to buy shares of Alset Inc. Alset Inc. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AEI, and this video outlines the basic buying steps for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker AEI to find Alset Inc. Select the result that indicates AEI on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct listing. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Alset Inc. with ticker AEI so you are on the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for execution when markets open, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the example link if you want to follow the same steps.